Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to see how you can programmatically trigger a chat AI agent in Python using Plivo. By the end of this video, you'll have a chat AI agent for product enquiries that your Python application can trigger over HTTP. Whenever a user revisits a product page after a previous session or filters for a specific product on your website or app, this agent can instantly respond with relevant product recommendations. First, let's build the agent. Head over to AI Studio, open Vibe Agent, and start typing your prompt to define what the AI agent should do. Let's create an HTTP-triggered chat AI agent that helps customers find the right product when they revisit a product page or filter for a specific product. The agent should first understand what the customer is looking for, then suggest suitable products, and finally display product cards with images, names, prices, and delivery times. Hit Enter to build the flow, and once it's ready, click Publish to activate your chat agent. Now open the API request trigger node. Plivo generates the endpoint URL your systems will call. Below that, you'll see the API auth ID and API auth token. These are the credentials your app will use via basic auth, so only trusted apps can trigger this agent. Under API request details, define the schema for the payload your backend will post whenever the trigger condition occurs. Next, click on the language dropdown on the right. For this video, let's select Python. Plivo generates a ready-made Python snippet that already includes the correct endpoint URL, auth ID, auth token, and the payload fields you just defined. You can use this snippet as a standalone Python script or within your Python application to make an HTTP post request to the agent endpoint whenever a user revisits a product page or adds product filters. Now let's test it locally. Create a new file, paste the Python snippet into it, and run it from your terminal. This sends a post request to your agent's URL and immediately triggers your chat AI agent. Here's how it looks like. And that's it. Your chat AI agent for product enquiries is fully deployed. From this point on, whenever your Python code calls the HTTP endpoint, Plivo will trigger the chat agent and respond to customers inside your website or app in real time, helping them discover the right products without any manual effort from your team.